When clogs are too tough for traditional methods, hydrojetting is the ultimate solution. At TrustRooter, we use high-pressure water jets to safely and effectively clear your pipes of grease, roots, and stubborn debris. Hydrojetting not only removes blockages but also cleans the inside of your pipes, restoring full flow and preventing future problems. It's safe, environmentally friendly, and perfect for both homes and businesses. Don't settle for temporary fixes. Choose a long-lasting solution that truly works. Schedule your hydrojetting service today at trustrooter.com.